Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S42, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold power key and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. Okay, so now that it's off, let's hold the power key and volume up together. This will boot us into boot mode. There we go. So once you see this screen right here, what you want to do is select the first option, which is recovery mode, using only volume up. As you can see, it just cycles through them, and then use volume down to confirm recovery mode. Now this will take us to the Android with no command screen, which we'll pass by holding power key and pressing volume up. So when you see this, hold power and press volume up. And you should be in recovery mode. So in this mode you will need to use both volume keys to navigate through this menu, as you can see. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options that are accessible, here we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Have a reboot to bootloader, takes us back. Enter fast boot mode, just boots us into fast boot mode. Have also apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, along with running a couple different test types and powering off the device. So like I said, whatever you select, you then whatever is selected, you then confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with the reboot system and press power key. And this will now take me back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.